You were just handed a 20-slide presentation from another department, and you have to present it in exactly 10 minutes. You know the high-level strategy, but you have no script. Welcome to FAM's AI Superpowers. I'm Dan, and here is your instant presentation lifeline. Do not panic and try to memorize the slides. Open the Copilot pane on the right side of your presentation. We are going to make AI write your exact talking points. Type this exact prompt. Ask Copilot to add detailed speaker notes to every single slide. Tell it to make the tone confident and persuasive, and specifically instruct it to focus on the high-level takeaways rather than just reading the data out loud. In seconds, Copilot analyzes the entire deck and writes a professional conversational script directly into your speaker notes. Work smarter, not harder. Follow for more AI superpowers in Microsoft 365.